Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to take off for excavation in CostX. Um we will just jump into it without much talk. First of all, I'm going to import my drawings. I kept the drawings over here. So I'm importing the drawings. I'm going to click all and okay. Just going to go directly to this portion. Yeah, so we'll be taking off for trench excavation. So first of all, immediately I import this drawings. What I'm left to do is to scale. Yeah. All right. So in scaling this drawing, all I need to do is to zoom in and I can just calibrate X axis. Or let me just calibrate Y axis. This is closer. Calibrate Y axis. I'm going to be using this, which will be 446T. And then okay. So I can now begin to take off. Yeah. So what I need to do is to create a kind of parameter, something like a template in taking off for trench excavation. And in doing that, I will click on dimensions here and click on add. Going to write trench excavation. So the measurement type is going to the length and the default is going to be volume. So the default width, when you check the footing, let's check the footing so that you will see. We can just cancel this for now. So when you look at the default footing, the footing here, we're just going to zoom in a bit, zoom in. As you can see, this is 230 here, 230. So this is what we're excavating. This is for trench. If we're doing for column base, then we'll have to excavate from here to here. But this is just for the trench, you know. So it is, most times it is 3 of 230 that you find here and here. Because this is actually the walking space, walking space for anybody who is going to lay the block. As you can see, 230 mm thick hollow block work. So it means our weight is going to be 230 multiplied by 3, which is 690, right? So I'm going to go back here and let's also check the height. Hope I can see the height over here. Um, okay, I need to go check column. Let me check the column. Good. So, for me to know the height, let me zoom in. So the height of the foundation is 1 meter. So going back to this, let me go back to here. So going to add the dimensions now. Trench excavation and area, measurement type, like I said, length. This is volume 0.69. The height is 1 meter. And Okay. Uh, Leave it as standard and we insert. So I'm just going to select points and we can now begin to take off. Okay, so let's begin quickly. Okay, let's just take off from here to here. I'm just going to take off. Okay, let's just zoom take into this portion. Going to take to this portion. Going to take this portion. So when taking off, you should ensure that it connects, the next line connects with this portion. So in doing that, we just have to zoom in a bit, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Just for accuracy's sake, you know, you have to ensure we are connecting this. And this finally. Okay. So ensure you always use your geometry. You use the geometry snap, because it helps this intersection and it makes my estimates and my takeoff to be accurate. As you can see, we've been able to take off for trench excavation.